Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your zip code within the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now, once you use your email address and password to log in, you will end up within this homepage from which you can directly start looking for jobs. Alongside the search box right within the homepage, you will find the option to enter location with the city, state, as well as zip code. You can simply tap on this search box and then you can enter any zip code that you want and tap on the search box, and this will show you all of the jobs that are available within this zip code immediately. Now, if you want to change your location permanently to a particular zip code, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then go into Profile. Now, once you're in the profile menu, you will be shown your user account at the top section. Go ahead and tap on the right arrow key on the right side, and now you will be able to fulfill and change your contact information. You can go ahead and edit your first and your last name as well as your phone number if you wish to, and if you scroll down underneath to the location section, you have the option to change your country, your street address, as well as your postal code. Now, in order to use any postal code from another country, you will need to change your country as well. So underneath the country, you can tap on the change button alongside your currently active country, and then from the drop-down menu, you can select any country that you want. After selecting your country, you can enter your street address and your city or state, and finally your postal code or your zip code. After entering all of these details, and especially your postal code, you can tap on the save button, and this will now save your location and your zip code to the one that you just set. And now, whenever you start a search, your search results will automatically look to the closest location of the zip code that you set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your zip code in the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.